everybody. This is Joe Jurek, and welcome back to Real Estate Investing Adventures. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Who the heck am I? My name's Joe Jurek. I'm a real estate investor. I get to travel all over the country and work with people just like you trying to get started in real estate or take their real estate investing to the next level. Well, I just have to say, Happy New Year. Why? Today is January 1st, 2020. A new decade. Can you believe it? The roaring 20s are back. I hope you're starting today off right to make your dreams into reality. But this is what I want to tell you. So often than not, people are not happy with the prior year. They feel I didn't have time to accomplish or do everything I wanted to do. There were problems that came up during the year, situations that came up during the year. I didn't have a lot of time because I was distracted by work or other obligations. So this year I'm going to make a difference. This year I'm going to do things this year that I was unable to do last year. And here's the great news, you can. The thing is, don't think that just like flipping a light switch overnight, you're going to be able to change day one. It's going to take time. Maybe it's going to take a few days, a few weeks, a few months to get into that routine that you need to do by setting a schedule and knowing what you're going to do certain days of the week, by looking at working on your goals. The best example I would give, often people want to lose weight and maybe their goal is to lose 20 or 50 or even 100 pounds. You can't lose that weight in a day. You can't lose that weight usually in a week or a month. It's going to be a process and going to take time. Maybe it'll take a few weeks, few months, or even the whole year if you're trying to lose 100 pounds. So if you're trying to make a difference in your real estate by doing deals, and maybe last year you did no deals or you only did a handful of deals, don't think, okay, January 2020, I'm going to crank out 20 deals or 50 deals. It's a process. You're going to have to work up to that. But this is what I want to tell you. It's okay. You don't want to get discouraged if you don't see progress after a few days or a few weeks. You have to stay the course. Remember, this is a marathon. You have to go at a pace and pace yourself for the whole year. Where are you going to be at in January, February, March? Maybe take a measuring stick after every 3 or 4 months to see where you're at. Where are you going to be at the 4th of July? That's a good challenge. Where are you going to be at Halloween? Where are you going to be at Thanksgiving or Christmas or New Year's next year? Try to pick target dates. Maybe where are you going to be at during your birthday, wherever that falls. But try to pick target dates, measurement dates to see where you're at, and don't say, Joe, it's been a week, I haven't gotten any deals. This doesn't work, I'm not going to do it. You got to keep on doing the little things every day. You got to stay focused. You got to look at properties. You got to assess properties. If you're wholesaling, you got to build your cash buyers list. You have to look for deals no matter what you're doing. Whether they're off-market deals or deals through a realtor, every day you got to be looking at deals and you got to be looking at building your business. Do you carry business cards with you? Do you put out bandit signs? These are all things that you could be doing. What I want to tell you, this year, 2020, can be a lot different than prior years if you decide you're going to make it different. I can't tell you how many people I work with throughout the year, but I do want to share one thing with you. I had a former client send me a text message in October, and his name is Felix from San Antonio, Texas. Everything is bigger in Texas. Hi, Felix, if you're watching. Felix had sent me a text and he said, Joe, I don't know if you remember me. You worked with me about 4 years ago, and I was starting real estate part-time. I remember how you told me how you felt when you left your full-time job to do real estate full-time, and I just wanted to share with you, I was finally able to leave my regular job to do real estate full-time, but it took me 4 years. I think that's fabulous. It took him 4 years. Some of you may want to do it in 2 years or 1 year. Who cares if it takes you 5 years or 8 years? If it's your goal and you get there, you achieved your goal. Can you out there imagine how it would feel like to go in and then tell your boss, hey, you know what? I got to turn in my resignation. Why? Because I got to devote more time to real estate investing. So you too can do it out there. You can make 2020 your year. I know you can. Get out there and make it happen. Make those dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.
Do it now. Believe and achieve. Take care. Yeah!